Do you think English helps in getting a good job? Is English helpful in interviews? Is English important in your career growth? Do your seniors prefer speaking in English? Is English required for writing emails? Do you find it easier to get jobs if you know English? Is English useful while working with foreign clients? Do you think English improves confidence at work? Is English needed for higher education? Do your job meetings happen in English? Does English help in understanding global trends? Is English helpful when traveling abroad for work? Do you think learning English opens more opportunities? Is English important for online courses and learning? Do job descriptions often ask for English skills? Do you feel English gives you an edge over others? Do you want to improve your English for your career? Do you use English at your workplace? Do most companies expect you to know English? Is English important in professional communication?